This 5-minute solution will show you how to unban permanently or temporarily banned TikTok accounts. So you can follow these solutions to get back your permanently or temporarily TikTok banned accounts. First of all, open your browser and type TikTok appeal. Open TikTok safety. Scroll down. Here you will find contact us option. So tap on it. Now you will get a appeal form. All you have to need, just enter here your email address. Enter here your TikTok username. Tap on topic and select account ban suspension. Tell us more. Select banned account not age related. And here describe your problem. And you can upload photos here. And check these two boxes and submit the form and wait 24 to 72 hours to get any response from TikTok. So that's how you'll be able to unban your banned TikTok accounts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.